Everyone, welcome back to API testing with Postman series. In the previous video, we learned how to create data using post request. Now in this video, we are going to learn how to update existing data using put request. So first of all, what is a put request or what is a put method? So in simple language, the put method is used to replace or create a specific item on a server. It is most commonly used method to update an existing record by sending its entire updated version. Think of it's like saving a document. So for example, you are working on an existing Excel file and you have made some changes in that existing Excel file, right? When you save, you are replacing the old file with the new version of the exact file. So let's take one more example. Like we have seen in our previous video, we have created our Facebook account. When you are creating your Facebook account, we have added user's first name, last name, email ID, phone number and password, and we have click on the save button and your account get created. Later you realize that your first name was incorrect. So what you do at that time, you go to your Facebook account profile, you change the name, your first name, and you are updating your profile details, right? So that update action is exactly like a put request. Okay, so in simple terms, post is nothing but we are creating a new data. That is the post method. Okay, and in put method or in put request, we are updating existing data. Whatever the existing data is present in the system, we are just updating that data. We are not creating anything new, right? So this is the main difference you should remember. Okay, so let's jump on the post one. Here is our old post request. Right now we have to create a put request. We click on the click new request. First we select the HTTP method as a put. We go to our documentation and we copy this URL, paste it in the URL bar. Now we have to send the request body as well, so we can update our request. Okay, go to body, click on the raw, and we are sending payload as a JSON body. Okay, so there is one feature called beautify here. Let's observe this payload, and if I click, when I click on the beautify button, it added the spaces and formatting your request body. Okay, so before clicking on send button, just observe the post request and put request here. Okay, so in the post request payload, we are sending only title, body and user ID, and when we create an data, it get associated with this unique ID. Okay, so this is a system generated unique ID. Now we are adding ID in our put request. Why it is? Because we need to update the data with which is associated with this ID. So system will understand the user wants to update the data which is associated with this ID is equal to 1. Okay, so let me send the request. Okay, now you see the response here. ID is equal to 1, title is equal to is update title and all these things. Okay, and status code is equal to 200. In our post request, we have seen it is because we are creating the data, it's 201 it's created, and here we are updating the data, it's 200 success. So these two difference also you remember. Okay, so you can see the response body. Now let me update this title again. So it is a test. Okay, test put method. Now when I click, the title gets updated here. Let me send. See, test put method. So this is updated. I can update the body as well. Okay, so here are some important points. Like put is used to update existing data, it usually require sending the complete data object, so we need to send this complete data objects here. So id, title, body, user id, then only system will know what data needs to be updated. So that's why we need to send the complete data object, and it replaces the existing data with the new data. So like we see, right, in title, when I changed, it get updated with the new data here. Okay, that's it for this video. Now you know how to update data using put request in Postman. In the next video, we will learn about delete request, where you remove data from the server. So stay tuned, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Thank you so much.